Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to link different pages together inside Webflow, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to easily connect your website's pages using Webflow's updated interface for 2025. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know not just where to click, but how each choice works, so your links always send your visitors exactly where you want them to go. Alright, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to make sure you've already got a link button on your Webflow page. If you're new to Webflow, a link button can be any clickable element, like a standard button or a text link block that visitors use to navigate between different sections or pages. Think of it like a signpost on a hiking trail. It points the way and lets your visitors journey smoothly through your site. With your link button in place, go ahead and select it right inside the Webflow designer. When you click on it, you'll notice in the right-hand settings panel a section called Link Settings. This is the control center for where that button will take your users. Now, sometimes it can be tempting to just pop in a URL here, but if you want a real internal page link, which is faster, cleaner, and easier to manage, there's a better way. In the link settings, choose the option labeled Page. This tells Webflow, hey, I want this button to connect to another page within my project, not some random link out on the internet. This is important because if you ever update your site's structure, these internal links will stay intact. They're much less likely to break than manual URLs. So definitely use the Page option whenever you can. Once you've selected Page, you'll see a drop-down menu showing all the pages you've created in your project so far. Take a moment here to double-check the page names just to make sure you're sending visitors to the right spot. It's a little like organizing books on a bookshelf. Make sure the one you want is easy to find. Click the name of the page you want a link to. Webflow will now remember your choice. After setting the destination, it's super important to test things out. You don't want people clicking a link that takes them somewhere unexpected. In the upper right corner of your designer, click the preview button. This will let you see and interact with your site exactly as a visitor would. Take a second here and don't worry if the preview takes a moment to load, that's totally normal. Once you're in preview mode, scroll over to your link button and give it a click. Now watch what happens. If everything is set up correctly, you should jump straight to the page you just linked. This is where that quiet satisfaction comes in. You've just created real navigation for your website, making it more user-friendly and professional. If you end up somewhere unexpected, just double-check those earlier steps. Sometimes it's as simple as choosing the wrong page from the dropdown, and you can always go back and tweak it until it's perfect. That's all there is to it. Linking pages in Webflow is really about guiding your visitors smoothly through your content, giving them an experience as seamless as possible. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button, leave any questions down in the comments, and of course, subscribe for more clear, practical Webflow tips. Thanks so much for watching and happy building.